Huh? What is that all of noise from him? Hey, and what is that? Hmm, it kind of looks like a Halloween theme of pudding. Oh, look, we can peek inside and see. Hmm, no one home or them. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Let's check it inside and see. Ooh, it kind of looks like a secret case bookshelf. Um, ooh. We even him some food to eat. Yummy, I'm starving. Ben, Ben, we got some vegetable. You put your spin. Ooh, pink. Mm, ooh, okay. No, Ben. I'm at the stage where that in the hips. They say do not go into but I go into anyways. Ooh, okay, okay. What this? Possibly be. Oh, oh, it leads you to add side, side back from the start. Ooh, okay, okay. We got two dozen cells, 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 and some stand. We got one, two, and three by in different colors and have salt and pictures on it. Ooh, I do like pizza. Pizza is my favorite. Hey, Uh, what? Mrs. Okay. This God can look up to me. Mm, Let me have. Look. Oh, well. Okay, I do. Let me turn up the light. Light can look scary in the dark time. Mm, Super deeper speaking. He, he, he. Ooh. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Anyways. Wait, I'm going back to my home. Hmm. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, my decoration center for the trick-or-treaters. Hmm. And, okay, anyways. Please, please. Okay, let me look up some tenant. I will do it. Uh-huh. Mm. Okay, okay. Let me read some news quickly. Wait. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let him play the same little bit. Wait, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. Okay. Let's actually watch this one. Damage. And then do this one. Okay. 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 Let me turn it off. Let me do one more thing. Thing. Okay. Okay. Let me do one more thing. Okay. Okay. Now let me take this one quickly. Please run fast I can. Hmm. Well, it's not a party. Party was at food. Food. So, take this one. Take the person and take the plate quickly. Quick. Let me close it quickly. I want super fast. Run. Okay, I placed the microphone right here quickly. Okay. Uh, this right here. Place it. Place it. And now, let me turn it on.